Ever wondered why your perception of reality might feel somewhat skewed? Well, you might just be a victim of what's known as the cultivation theory. Developed by George Garbner back in 1967, this theory is an essential part of communication studies, and it looks at the long-term effects of television on our understanding of the world around us. The idea behind cultivation theory is that those who spend a significant amount of time watching television are more likely to be influenced by the messages portrayed on the box. So much so that these television-induced ideas begin to shape their worldviews and perspectives. Garbner argued that television has an independent influence on how people perceive social reality. This theory suggests that heavy television viewers are cultivating attitudes, meaning they often believe that the world represented on television is a mirror of the actual world. Over time, these viewers can develop a skewed perspective on issues like violence in society, informed more by what they see on television than by their own personal experiences. Cultivation effects can be divided into two levels: the first order, which concerns general beliefs about our world, and the second order, which relates to specific attitudes towards various aspects of society, such as the law and order system or certain types of people. The cultivation theory was born out of Garbner's creation of the television violence profile back in 1967. This tool was developed as part of the Cultural Indicators Project, an ongoing effort to monitor violence in primetime network broadcast programming. The project maintains a database of over 3,000 television shows and 35,000 characters, providing a comprehensive overview of how violence is portrayed on television. Garbner's cultivation theory was initially developed to explore the potential impact of television media on its audience. His television violence profile was a key tool in this research. He first introduced the theory in the 1960s and continued to refine it throughout his career. The Cultural Indicators Project was a significant step away from the dominant media effects research paradigm of the time. Instead of focusing on changes in attitude or behavior resulting from exposure to specific messages, the project looked at the broader system of messages, the institutions that produce them, and the effects of these message patterns on the cultivation of social reality perceptions. A key concept of cultivation analysis is the cultivation differential, which refers to the difference in viewing intensity between people categorized as heavy and light viewers. It sheds light on how television viewing can shape one's view of a certain subject. This differential can vary depending on demographic variables like age, gender, socioeconomic status, and ethnicity. In essence, the cultivation theory suggests that our understanding of the world can be significantly shaped by our television viewing habits. It argues that those who watch a lot of television may end up with a distorted view of reality, influenced more by the world as portrayed on television than by their own experiences. It's a reminder of the powerful role media plays in shaping our perceptions and beliefs about the world around us. So, the next time you switch on the TV, remember it might just be cultivating your view of the world.